guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from today's title, we are doing a Temu try on haul, a Temu clothing haul, Temu clothing try on haul, basically all one and the same. I've picked up a mixture of casual pieces, dressy pieces, going out bits, date night, things of that nature, a nice little variety that I wanted to show you guys in today's video. So if you wanted to get my review on the pieces, see how they fit, how they feel, how the colors look, how the material is, all of that good stuff, then just keep watching. Okay, item number one, dress number one, a fan favorite, me being the fan. This is called the women's floral print tube dress. It's sleeveless, form-fitting, a casual style, definitely not casual, a casual style, and it's an off-the-shoulder design. This is so perfect, autumnal, classy, but classy sexy, like, yeah. This dress, like I said, is an off-the-shoulder sleeveless type of unit piece, and it's got this nice floral detailing pattern throughout the entirety of the dress. Obviously the videos will be on the screen alongside the picture so you can see it from head to toe, but like I literally if I could eat a dress, I would eat this dress. If I could start with a banger, it would be this banger, and that's why I started with it. It's so nice and gorgeous and pretty and perfect. Automatically I'm thinking dinner, date night with the girls, little cocktail date. I feel like it's just so like, not understated because of the design, but it's so like seductress-esque, but like in a subtle way. Even though it's not a subtle dress, I can't explain it. The pattern is giving, but it's so cohesive and it's so nice that it doesn't do too much. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Obviously I got this in my size, which is an XL or a 16. Fits perfectly, fits absolutely perfectly. You do not need to size up, don't size up, don't size down, get your size. It's the big, look at the weight, it snatches the waist. Oh yeah. Whenever it comes to sleeveless things for me, it's not really sleeveless. I'm wearing a bra. Usually I would like pull the straps down and then just tuck it in, but for like try on purposes sakes, I'm just gonna leave them up. It's not that serious, it's not that deep. Do I have any cons about this dress? Absolutely not, lol. The base color in real life is definitely obviously black for the floral detail, but cream, a light camel type of color. It's not black and white like it says on the website, that's a lie. This is not white. Yeah, this is like a creamy, peachy type of moment. I adore this dress. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to get pictures in it. I usually start with like the items that I love the most when I try it on, so that it's like a good mood and we only go up, and that's the case here. So yeah, so pretty. Okay, nothing else to say. 10 out of 10, très bien. Next. So the next item that we have is this gorgeous long maxi cream white ivory style dress. This is called the elegant black, well, black or cream, but the elegant black v-neck lace trim bodycon dress with a tie waist, and it's a long sleeve ruched detail, and it's perfect for fall or winter, which is obviously now. I don't normally get such light colored items in the form of dresses because I'm a messy babe. I'm gonna be honest with you, like I can be a little bit slapdash chaotic when it comes to my face and avoiding light colored items. But when I saw this, I was like, you need to get over that today because it's just so beautiful. I had to have it, and have it I do, and love it I do, and wear it I will. This is the 360 of the dress. It's definitely super duper covered, very like classy, elegant vibes. It's got this peekaboo detailing at the front, which has two pieces of string, kind of like shoelacy elasticated parts for tying the chest area. I think I have to like steam these or maybe give this a wash or something because they're so curled up, and when I'm looking at it on the model, it's not. And it's just little details like that that will affect like when you're taking the whole picture and you're serving a whole look. Like it's kind of, do you know what I mean? But I do love these details. I was thinking to maybe just like tuck them in. Yeah, I feel like even that looks okay. Like if I was to tuck that inside my bra and then just have it pulled, just so that the bow parts are the main parts that are showing, as opposed to like the tendrils hanging down. Quick intermission. But either way, it's nice. It's got these kind of wide bell, I was gonna say bell bottom, but bell-esque sleeves on each end. So cute, so comfortable as well. I feel really warm in it. I love the material, whatever it is. I do need to find out what it is. It's probably like some type of stretchy polyester blend, but it's got a bit of weight to it and it is comfy and cozy, which we love. Obviously in the title it was called a black v-neck dress, but I got it in cream just because, like I said, I wanted to try and get it in this kind of warm, light, sweet color as opposed to more black, because I'm really turning into Wednesday Addams. We need to chill. The length is nice. It's just above my ankles. It's not like a full-on super duper maxi, but again, I always say this could be due to my body type. Like if I pull it down a bit, it is obviously a tiny bit lower, but like also it could be my height, probably a combination of the two. No idea where I would wear this. I don't know. It could obviously opt for dinner because so many of the items I get are like dressy for dinner. Why do I feel like this is casual? Is it because of the material? Which, by the way, is this gorgeous textured, kind of like towel-esque material. I don't know if that makes me feel like it's more of a casual fit. I wouldn't wear this to, well, I would wear this to lunch. Personally, I would wear this to lunch, babe. I was about to say, no, this is not a lunch fit. For me, this is a lunch fit. This is not that dressy to be like dinner or date night. Also giving very like sweet, baby doll, innocent, going to meet like new people, wanting to put your best foot forward, have cute first impressions vibes. Like, I love it. I feel like an angel or princess, goddess. No, it's not giving goddess. I feel like a princess, a doll. Yeah. Not everything is goddess vibes, angel. But yeah, that's this dress. We're gonna go on to the next item. So next, we have this cute street style-esque ombre gradient type of top. I got it in a size 16 or an XL. This item is called the Women's Fashion Digital Print Off-Shoulder Wrap Top. Definitely not a wrap top. And it's a polyester and elastane blend, and it's for all seasons. It says wrap top twice in the title. This is not a wrap top. This is a boob tube, a bandeau, a sleeveless top. I'm sure you can see it in the videos and on me. Don't listen to Temu. Sometimes Temu just don't be translating properly, girl. She don't know what she's talking about. Listen to me, not her. It's no wrap top. It's a bandeau. And a very cute one at that. This is definitely like a street style-esque item for me. But I feel like when I add heels, a full face beat and a cute purse to an outfit, I can turn any top into a night out, date night, dinner top. That's my opinion. That's what I think. So when I bought that, I was like mindful of both of those environments that I would like kind of want to wear this in, depending on how it looked. And because it's so cute, I think it could work for both. The fit is really, really nice considering I'm obviously a little bit bigger busted than average. So like it's long enough to like be comfortable and cover, but also, you know me, I love a bit of ruching, so if you're into that, you can do that. The elasticated part on the top is not super duper thick. It's like your typical about 1 finger length or 1 finger width size. In terms of color, it starts from like a tiny little section of yellow, gradients into a little itty bitty bit of orange, and then the predominant middle section is like this peachy red. Then you've got the blue, then you've got green, and then it kind of circles back to yellow. I think it's so cute. Just think it looks so like well blended and pretty and like cute casual, but like it could be dressed up, and those are like my favorite items because I love variety in my wardrobe. So yeah, this, some denim pants, denim shorts, a denim set, a denim skirt. I would wear this with joggers, girl. Let me not lie to you. I would put on a pair of joggers, a little shoulder bag. Why am I doing fling? A little shoulder bag, and I'd be out the door. Yeah, I feel like it works and it's so cute. So yeah, okay, so that's this item. We'll go on to the next. Okay, so this is the next item. Is actually a two-piece. It's a set, and I got it in this gorgeous fuchsia pink color, which I literally love. This is called the Women's Zegzi Pink Halter Neck Top and Mini Skirt Set, and it's a stylish summer beachwear set with a sleeveless design and tie detail. This is so clubby, party, colorful-esque, and I really, really like it. I think it's so cute. I love pink regardless of the shade that it comes in, but I am a bit of a fuchsia fan in particular. It's so cute, and it's got this really, really pretty detailing of a spider. I think you can see it if I'm doing this. This is how it looks, and that's basically just hanging right between my chest, and it's got a little, not a diamond, but like a little silver stud thing in the middle for more detailing, which I think is cute. I've already worn this out. I had a really, really fun night with my girl, and she was like, where did you get this piece? And I was like, T to the E to the M to the U. That was literally not the letters. But Temu. And she was so shocked as well because I feel like it wears really, really pretty in real life. When it comes to tops of this nature, little life hack, which I haven't done right now, but you should do, wear a bikini underneath. The bras that I normally have and wear are more like balcony bras and kind of like lifting sports bras, minimizers, sorry, things of that nature, as opposed to v-neck-esque bras. So when I usually wear stuff like this out, I would wear a bikini just so that it obviously doesn't show through, but it gives me more security, just so that I don't feel like when I'm outside, you know what I mean? But literally, it's really, really cute. I like the material. The skirt you can't see right now, obviously, but it does have a little slit on the right side, but obviously you can twist and turn that and do what you want. It's got two, I call them shoelaces, but two strings, two shoelaces to tie the top and do it as like secure or as loose as you want. And then obviously it's a halter neck design, so it kind of just goes over the head, and that's sorted. Zoom out. Where is me? But yeah, I just thought I'd zoom out. I'm sure I'm dark right now, but yeah. It's got these two flappy panels that hang right in front of you, and then the skirt obviously is just underneath. So cute. It's an easy like go-to pickup outfit if you're going out for the night and you just want to, I don't know, make a statement and have a vibe without scrambling through your closet. I feel like when it comes to sets, they always give what they need to give because it looks cohesive with no thought put in. So yeah, that's this. On to the next. So this is the final dress that I picked up from Temu. It's called the Women's Elegant Halter Neck A-line dress with a flared skirt, and it's in a solid black colour, suitable for evening wear. They also say casual and formal occasions, which I would agree with actually. I was about to skip that, but that's true. I got this in a size 16, which is also an XL on the site. So pretty, so gorgeous, so form-fitting, so beautiful. So versatile, so girly, so apt. I literally love this. You'll see in the videos and you'll see in the picture how the bottom part of the dress looks, but it's got like a tiered skirt moment, basically about 2 tiers. But what I like a lot about this dress is before that it has this elasticated / ruched waistband, which just means it's so comfy. Girl, you know, sometimes I'll be at dinner, the pictures have been taken, or maybe they haven't actually, and I'm about to eat, and then I have to think, oh, girl, if I load up too much, it's gonna be giving bloated to the bloat when it's time for the pictures after. This dress, there's none of that. Look how cute it is. It's so flattering on the lower body. It's just so cute. Like, I literally love it. Is this gonna be one of those dresses where I go and buy like 16 others in 6 different colors? Yes. Sorry. It's in a halter neck design, and I could definitely tie it tighter than I have. This is the halter neck in the back of the dress, which you can see. And then, like I said, it's got the elasticated part, and then it kind of flares out. Essentially a fit and flare type of dress. In terms of where I would wear this, it's just so baby doll and cute that I'm not gonna lie, I would take her anywhere. Yes, I would. For my fuller chested, fuller busted girls, it's definitely obviously giving side boob. As I said earlier, you're probably just gonna want to get like a black bikini or something of that nature if you want more coverage and you want to go out and feel more secure. But if you're a little bit smaller chested, then I think it should be okay for you. It should be fine. So beautiful. I literally feel so beautiful. That's the word for this dress. I feel beautiful and I feel comfortable and I feel like a dolly. I think that's the theme for this haul, like dolly, beautiful, girly, baby doll, princess energy. Material is definitely light. It's like, kind of reminds me of the material you would have in a shirt dress. You can kind of hear as I pull it. Definitely not stretchy, definitely not sticky. Literally the only bit that has like a nice bit of stretch is the place that it should, which is the elasticated bit. And if I'm not mistaken, I think there's a bit more of a stretch where the halter neck ties over, which is nice, and there's a lot of material for the tying part, which is also good. Yeah, I like this dress. I think this is like one of my favorites in this haul, just because it's so easy and comfortable and like versatile for different things, and that's always a winner for me. That's always a 10 in my book. Okay, so that's the last item of the haul. So that is the end of today's haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you found some items that you wanted to pick out, maybe try for yourself, buy for yourself, and see how you like them on you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Comment your favorite item, where you would wear it, what piece you think works for like what event, what aesthetic, etc. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.